welcome. Today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here just go to the sound section. Right there you will see the ringtone volume section. Just to change the volume of your ringtone, swipe with your finger these blue dots to the left or to the right side by this way. And also we got the second way, but be sure that here near the on the use the volume buttons to adjust section, you have to just switch the media to the ringtone volume. And now here you can just change your ringtone volume just by pressing your down or up volume buttons. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.